This is how we can lower the brightness even more on the iPhone. So the way that it works is that you can go to the settings like this, and of course in the display and brightness section you can control the brightness in here with the slider. It is in fact the very same controller that you also have in the control center. However, if you want to go below that point, you need to go to the accessibility section instead. In your settings we have accessibility right in here, and in there tap on display and a text size menu. And from these options, go below and you want to find the toggle titled reduce white point. And this is what you need to enable, and as you can see it lowers down the brightness instantly. And keep in mind that the actual brightness controller stayed as it was. Those two things are independent, so you can see that in here you can reduce the white point and also lower down the brightness. So when you make two things at the same time, go to the fullest, to the max, or to the lowest settings, you will barely see anything on the screen. So it's even kind of dangerous, to be honest, because you might not even see what's on the screen. But that's the point I'm trying to make. Use the low brightness in addition to the reduced white point, and you're gonna make the brightness go really low. So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.